my name is Lila and welcome back to my channel. In this really short video, I'm going to show you guys 4 different tools that I absolutely love to use when it comes to contouring my nose. There are so many different ways to contour your nose, and let me just tell you, there is no right or wrong way. Doesn't matter what kind of brush you use, doesn't matter what kind of tool you use, doesn't matter what kind of sponge you use, as long as you feel you're getting the exact same results of what a nose contour should look like, then by all means, it doesn't matter what tool you use, like I said. If you guys are wondering what I have on my lips, I have the Becca and Poppy. I absolutely love this formula. It leaves your lips it leaves your lips feeling really super moisturized, and it has a really glossy effect, which I actually kind of appreciate right now because my lips have been so dry, and anything matte is leaving it really crackly, if that's even a word. So I really do love this lipstick right now. It's like the bomb. And because we are talking about Becca, I'm also using the Becca highlight. This one is in Prosecco Pop. Absolutely love. If you're wondering what's on my lashes, these are from my brand. These are in tease, and I'll go ahead and leave the link down below so you guys go ahead and purchase them if you guys wanted to purchase them. Announcements. If you guys don't know already, I am a certified esthetician. So if you guys want to get a facial done by me, just go ahead and click the link down below, and I'll also leave my IG. It's Skincare by Mila Illa. I have about 8 different services. I have a couple on the face, a couple on the back, and of course, the butts. So if any of you girls got any butt acne, let your girl know and I will take care of you, because summer is around the corner and we do not want any ass acne. And I also treat dark spots, because I know a lot of us females, when our hormones change, we get some dark lines on our butt, and it can be a little bit uncomfortable, especially when you want to wear like that right bikini, but you can't because you got dark lines underneath that booty. I can take care of that for you. Anyways, let's go ahead and start this video. Okay, so it's obvious that I have my full face makeup on, except I did not contour my nose whatsoever. The contour that I'm going to go in with is by Smashbox. This shade is called In Contour. It actually comes with 3 other little sticks. This one is the highlight, this one's the bronze, and this one's the contour, and this is the one that I'm going to use. I already sharpened it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add some lines that I would contour my nose. And then I personally like to contour the bottom right here to give it the illusion of having a tip nose. Go-to brush right now is a Morphe E22 brush. It's actually a eyeshadow brush. I'm literally just gonna blend the product onto my nose. As you guys can see, I'm actually gonna go up towards my brow, and then I'm gonna bring it down. And I'm just gonna blend this. That's all I'm doing, I'm just blending. There's no secret to it. I'm just showing you guys different brushes that you guys can use. You can use any brush, to be honest. Like I said, this is an eyeshadow brush, and I really like it because the bristles are super duper soft. I know I look really hilarious right now. Unlike the first collection of Morphe, they came out with these white brushes, and I honestly don't like them at all. Like some of the brushes work really good in the beginning, but then after a while their bristles get really hard and they just mess up so fast. Like, I don't know, but they upgrade with the Elite one and I'm absolutely obsessed with them. This isn't the Elite, this is just the, or is it Elite? Maybe it is Elite actually. But anyways, I'm gonna continue blending this out. And it's so effortless, like it's the most easiest thing you can do. The second brush that I do highly recommend is the Morphe E14 brush. I'm gonna go ahead and just blend this baby underneath the tip of my nose, just like that. And I just want to show you, this brush is actually a packing brush. It's also an eyeshadow brush, and I'm using it to contour my nose. I'm telling you guys can use anything to contour your nose. I prefer small brushes because I just feel like it helps me to get more precision, unlike bigger brushes I always see a lot of people using, but honestly this is a trick for me. Okay, you can also go with a small beauty sponge. So I'm literally just patting the product onto my skin and just blending it. Sorry, I'm a little congested. Another brush that I have used in the past, it's not something that I'm very passionate about, but it's something I do use, is the Luxie 680 brush. I use this if my other brushes are just really dirty. Like honestly, if it's just really dirty, I'll go in with this. This brush goes in a diagonal, and I like to use the top of this part of the brush where I can contour. So I'll just go in using it backwards. You would go in like this, but I would go in using it backwards. And I would just blend the product onto my skin. like that. All done. And as you guys can see how like snatched my nose looks now, like holy cow, in a matter of like less than a minute. To end this look, I'm gonna go ahead and add some highlight. I personally like to add the highlight on the roof of my nose and on the tip. I like to kind of leave this part kind of empty because it really does give the illusion of me having like a button tip nose, which is something I really do like. It's so cute. Well, for me, you guys might not like it, but I love the way it looks. Alrighty guys, that's the end of the video. I know it was super duper quick, but I just wanted to show you these 3 tools that I use on the daily to contour this cute little button nose. I absolutely am obsessed. I'm letting you guys know these 2 brushes are probably like $14 in total. This one I got in BoxyCharm, and this one I got at Ulta. It came in a pack of 4. Each of the sponges are different, but they all work the same. I absolutely love these little cute little sponges. Honestly, they're just cute. That's it. Like, I got them. I'm like, oh my god, they're so cute. But honestly, it'll probably do the same trick as a big sponge. Who knows? If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want to subscribe to my channel, make sure you guys go do that. And I'll be seeing you guys next time. Bye!